I don't know who needs to hear this, but start packing. You already know you're moving, but you actually have less time in the space you're in than what you think. Start packing, right? God may have already told you to start packing, to start going through things, start organizing, whatever. And you may have gotten this date of, oh, you have till this time to get it done, but you actually have less than that. So do not procrastinate. Do not delay. Do not get distracted. Stay focused. Stay close to God and be listening to His voice, not anybody else's, just His, because you know what He's already told you. You know what He's wanting you to do. You know what you need to do. You already have all these answers. He's already told you that He's going to take care of everything. He's told you that you're going to recover it all. You're going to recover everything the enemy has stolen. He's providing. He's making this move. He's opening up doors. He's doing these things. He's already said these things. Now you need to walk it out. You need to walk it out in your faith. But get to going. Get up. Get up. Quit procrastinating. Quit delaying. Quit doing anything like that. Get up. Okay? God bless you. Shalom.